The Yangwang U9 emerges from BYD's ambition not merely as a supercar, but as a vision of the future incarnate on four wheels, a testament to the ingenuity of modern electric vehicle engineering fused with daring imagination. From the moment the car is revealed, its presence is almost cinematic, a shape that seems sculpted by wind itself, its contours slicing the air even while stationary. The time-gate design language manifests as sharp, flowing lines that give the impression the car is poised to leap forward even before it moves, while the carbon fiber and lightweight materials hint at restrained ferocity, ready to unleash enormous power at a moment's notice. The scissor doors swing upward with a sense of drama, opening like the wings of some futuristic creature, revealing a cabin that blends technology with luxury in a way that feels at once advanced and human-centric. Inside, every surface and interface has been carefully designed to combine tactile satisfaction with digital sophistication. Seats that adjust in 14 ways embrace the occupant with precision, while the high-end audio system and 5G connectivity immerse the driver in a world of sound, communication, and control. Yet it is not merely the appearance of the U9 that captivates the imagination. At its heart lies a quad-motor powertrain, capable of delivering over 1,000 horsepower with staggering torque, accelerating the car from a standstill to 100 kilometers per hour in just a few heartbeats. This acceleration is not a mere thrill. It is a demonstration of the harmony between raw energy and precise control, where every ounce of power is managed, distributed, and tamed by a sophisticated network of sensors and torque vectoring systems. The car responds instantly to the smallest input, every corner. Every throttle adjustment is a conversation between driver and machine, a dialogue of precision and feedback that makes the U9 feel more alive than most vehicles. Despite its immense power, the Blade LFP battery pack ensures that energy flows smoothly, balancing the need for speed with the need for efficiency and reliability, and the 800-volt architecture allows it to charge at extraordinary rates, reaffirming that this is a vehicle designed for the realities of the modern world as much as for spectacular performance. What truly sets the Yangwang U9 apart, however, is the DiSus X intelligent suspension system, a technology that seems to defy conventional expectations of what a car can do. With a subtle hum and imperceptible adjustment, the U9 can raise, lower, and even jump over obstacles, reacting to the environment in real time as though it possesses a consciousness of its own. Videos of the car leaping over potholes, clearing road spikes, and executing delicate maneuvers on three wheels have made it a sensation. Yet these displays of athleticism are more than stunts. They are a testament to the precision, engineering, and ambition that has gone into its creation. Driving the U9 feels like commanding a living machine, one that is aware of its surroundings and capable of adjusting with an elegance and fluidity that makes even the most daring movements appear effortless. When the suspension dances in sync with music, the effect is almost surreal, as though the car itself is celebrating motion, turning the act of driving into a performance both visual and visceral. The experience of the U9 extends beyond speed and spectacle. Every curve of the chassis, every adjustment in the suspension, is part of a larger philosophy of motion and control. The weight of the vehicle, though significant, feels managed, counterbalanced by the ingenuity of its design and the careful orchestration of its motors and systems. Even at high speeds, the car communicates stability and precision, and the combination of performance, technology, and artistry creates a sensation that is unique to this vehicle. On the track or the open road, it is not simply a machine to be driven. It is a partner, a collaborator, an expression of what engineering can achieve when imagination is given free rein. There is poetry in the way the Yangwang U9 moves, a rhythm in the interaction between power and control, between driver and technology, a harmony that few vehicles can achieve. Beyond the technical marvel, the U9 carries symbolic weight. It represents the ambition of a brand and, more broadly, of a country asserting its capabilities on the global stage. In a world dominated by established European supercars, BYD has dared to create a vehicle that not only competes on performance metrics but reimagines what an electric supercar can embody. It challenges assumptions about heritage and prestige, suggesting that innovation and audacity can redefine perceptions of excellence. The car's presence, whether on display, in a video, or on the road, signals a shift, Performance is no longer measured solely in raw horsepower or lap times, but in ingenuity, adaptability, and the ability to inspire awe. The Yangwang U9 is a story told in motion, a narrative of technological triumph interwoven with aesthetic boldness. Every feature, from its advanced battery system to the jumping suspension, contributes to a larger tale of ambition, creativity, and uncompromising pursuit of excellence. In the cockpit, the driver becomes part of the story, participating in a dialogue between human intention and mechanical response that elevates driving into an art form. Each acceleration, each turn, each leap over an obstacle is a chapter, unfolding with drama, precision, and exhilaration. It is a reminder that the automobile, at its best, is more than a tool for transportation. It is a canvas for innovation, a stage for performance, and a vessel for dreams that reach beyond what is conventional or expected. Even as the U9 dazzles with its technical prowess and dramatic capabilities, it maintains a sense of purpose. Its powertrain, suspension, and structural design are not only for spectacle. They are an integration of performance, safety, and functionality, harmonized into a coherent whole. The car moves with intent, responding to the road, the driver, and the environment, creating an experience that is simultaneously exhilarating, controlled, and immersive. Each journey becomes a narrative, each mile a continuation of the story BYD has chosen to tell through this remarkable vehicle. The Yangwang U9 stands as a testament to what can happen when vision and technology converge. It is a supercar that not only accelerates rapidly, handles with precision, and jumps with finesse, but also challenges the imagination, asking what a car can be, how it can interact with its environment, and how it can transform the act of driving into something that feels alive, artistic, and almost magical. In every curve, every acceleration, every suspension adjustment, the U9 conveys a philosophy that celebrates ingenuity, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of innovation. It is a machine that commands attention, admiration, and respect, not merely for what it can do, but for what it represents. A future in which the boundaries of possibility are constantly being expanded, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and where driving is transformed from a mechanical act into a symphony of power, control, and imagination.